Hi guys, it's Karis and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing another video in my wedding series, which I'm super excited for because I love talking about all things wedding. It's just really exciting for me. Yes, before we just jump on in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing or like a review, whatever, of this bridal box that I got. So I do get a subscription from the ring boxes is what it's called, and it's a engagement like bride subscription box. This is my second box. I'm just going to be showing you what comes in the box, so you know if I think it's worth it and everything like that. And yeah, so let's just jump on in. Also, this video is not sponsored by the ring boxes. I wish it was. But yes, so let's just get into the basic details before I go over what's in the box. Our subscription box service is $39.95, I believe, but then after shipping every month I pay $44.45 for this box. So it's a little bit of a pricey subscription box, but it's not too bad. Each box has a different theme to it. You can prepay boxes for a certain amount of months. I think they have 3, 6, and 9 months. Or you could pay month to month, or you can set up like a certain amount of time and like 6 months and then pay month to month for just 6 months. That's the plan I'm on. I pay $44.45 each month on the 15th, I believe, and these boxes ship out between the 4th and 8th of every month, and then you should get them by the next 15th of the month. When you open the box, it looks like this, and it just says, "Congratulations, you're engaged." And then it's all wrapped in this tissue paper, and it says "For the bride-to-be" on the sticker in there. I did open the wrapping, that's why it's all weird looking right there. When you open the tissue paper, the first thing you have is this little card, and this is the honeymooners box, as you can see. And it tells you everything that is on the back, but I'm not going to show you that because we're gonna go over it. So yes, okay, so here is the first thing that was in the box. It was all nice and wrapped up, of course, but I unwrapped it because I was really excited. So you got a t-shirt, and it says "I woke up like this, #married." Super cute, white, obviously for your honeymoon. So this t-shirt is like a really good quality t-shirt and a really good quality material. So yes, this is the first thing in the box, and let's see, it is valued at $24. The next thing in the box is this right here. It says "Bridal Suite, please do not disturb," and it is obviously a little door sign. Super cute. It's actually like really good quality. It's like a hard plastic type of feel. It's super cute. Let's see, this is valued at $7, so that's a pretty fair price. And the next thing in here is this little bag right here. It has this cute little tassel. Obviously it says Mrs. Then it opens and everything. So let's see, this is retail value at $15, and it's a makeup bag. Next we have these. So these have 2 things in them each. So the first thing that we have is a Mrs. luggage tag in rose gold, and we also have a Mr. luggage tag in black. These are super cute, matchy for, you know, your honeymoon, and these retail at $24.99. They do feel like super good quality, and I think they're like fake leather. So yes. Then the next thing in these little bags is this. Again, it says Mrs. in rose gold. And then we have the Mr. in black. And these are passport holders. These are retailed at $34.99. Again, these have like the same like leather feeling and they feel super nice. We have those. And last but not least in the box, we have this. It is this little straw that says bride in it. Super cute. This is valued at $7.99, which seems like it would be the price of it. Alright, so like I said, I did pay $44.45 after shipping for this box, and I will add a retail value of everything and put it here just so you know and can compare. I think this box was a pretty good box. The last box I got wasn't as good as this box, I think, but I think everything, you know, just varies. So yes, I can't wait to get my next box. I'm super excited, and I do love getting these boxes every month. It does help me like stay excited about the wedding and stuff. I do think that all of the boxes, well, at least the two that I've gotten, have been a good deal for what I paid for them, and I'm so excited to continue getting these boxes. So if you want to see me do another unboxing of the next box I get, give this video a thumbs up and let me know so I can film that for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're enjoying my wedding series. I'm enjoying filming it. So much fun. Can't wait to make more wedding videos for you and more normal videos, whatever. I do upload every single Friday, so subscribe and come back to my channel every Friday to watch more of me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.